You can explore more of your favourite CBeebies shows on BBC iPlayer.
Joanna, I love so many people, but how am I going to tell them all?
Oh, that's easy, Dodge. Why don't you send them the Valentine's card you made?
Oh, yeah, like this one that I made for you.
Yes.
Oh, that's a great idea. Joanna, let's show everybody how to make one.
Well, we need some coloured card, some coloured paper, some eyes, a pen, glue, and scissors.
Yeah, first we fold our piece of card.
Okay, we're going to fold this
That's it.
in half, match the corners up nice and neatly.
Then we need to put a heart on it, so we need some glue.
Okay,
Yep.
glue at the ready.
Be careful, it's messy.
Here we go, Dodge. I'm using a
that's
pink
nice.
heart, but I suppose you can use any colour you like. What do you think about that?
That's lovely. Now we need to draw some arms and legs.
Okay, I'm going to give this one 2 legs. And,
Arms so it can hug.
of course, Dodge, what else do we need to
Now
do?
we need some eyes. Here they are, look, here they are.
Oh, eyes. Yes,
Stick
I've
those
got
on.
1
Here.
and 2.
2. Let's see. Yay, that looks great.
Thanks, Dodge. Dodge,
Yeah.
this is for you.
Oh, thanks, Joanna.
Why don't you make a Valentine's card for someone you love?
I love it.
Do you love CBeebies? Well, you can learn, sing and explore with all your favourite CBeebies friends like Number Blocks, Mr Tumble, Bluey, Jojo and Gran Gran and so much more. Why not ask your grown-up to download the BBC iPlayer app where you can watch all your favourite CBeebies friends anytime, anywhere you like.